Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting a reliable connection and launching the route. Plug in or pair your phone so maps can speak directions over the car stereo. This prevents missed turns. Enter the address, pick the driving icon, then tap directions. Once done, select your preferred route and enable voice guidance so you can listen instead of looking. Also, make sure Do Not Disturb Driving is on to minimize phone interruptions, because continuous audio and fewer distractions keep you safer and on time. Once you're moving, put maps into driving view and trust lane guidance to prepare for exits and merges. You'll also see the real-time traffic layer. Use it to decide whether to accept an alternate route. If congestion appears, tap Overview or quickly swipe to view options, but make adjustments only when stopped. Instead, use voice commands like Navigate to followed by an address or Show Traffic to keep your eyes on the road. This reduces cognitive load and keeps the route efficient. You finish by ending navigation after you safely park and double-check the arrival spot before you step out. If voice guidance cuts out or recalculations fail, first make sure phone volume and navigation voice are on and the app has location and background permissions. Weak cell signal can also interrupt routes. If problems persist, force close Google Maps and reopen it, or briefly toggle airplane mode to reset connections. That usually restores voice and route updates quickly, so you can resume navigation without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.